Thinking about Canyon, Texas replacement windows for your home? Windows don't last forever. So when you see signs that you need new home windows, it's time to act. Whether you want vinyl windows or fiberglass options, Amarillo Solar Shade Co. has you covered. Aside from the materials, there are still many decisions to make about your window installation. One of the biggest decisions you'll make is choosing between casement and sliding windows. And we're here to help you make the best choice based on your needs. So first, casement windows. These are hinged at the side and open outward, offering excellent ventilation, an unobstructed view, and easy cleaning. They're also energy efficient, sealing tightly to keep your home cool during hot Texas summers. But they aren't ideal for tight spaces and tend to cost a bit more than other styles. Now, sliding windows glide open to the side. They're perfect for compact areas, easy to operate, and often are more affordable. However, they only open halfway and may not insulate quite as well. Plus, the tracks tend to get dirty faster, which may result in a little more maintenance for you. But don't let that deter you. They're still one of the best windows for hot climates. So which energy-efficient window should you go with? Here's the good news. You don't have to choose just one style for your Randall County, Texas window installation. At Amarillo Solar Shade Co., we help homeowners mix and match styles based on room size, ventilation needs, and energy goals. Ready to get started? Amarillo Solar Shade Co. offers free estimates on new home windows in Canyon, Texas. So don't wait. Act today.